My grandmother came over and found this random old piece of wood in my yard and told me that she really wanted a sign made out of it. So I got this Brillo pad thing and the sanding block and sanded it down a little bit to clean it up. But one side of the plank had a straight edge and didn't have that same rustic feel that the other side of the plank had. So I took my saw and put a few notches in it, sanded it down to make them even. Measure your plank and mark the middle. I left a little space for the snowflakes that I'm going to put in on the end, and for now I'm just doing my lettering with a pencil, something really easy. I got this inspiration off Pinterest. Super simple font if you're not an artist. Get your paint, paint brushes, tray, and your stir stick. Make sure you go over your letters twice so that everything's solid and looks finished. And the snowflake I also just looked on Pinterest. They're super easy to recreate. I screwed it to a piece of scrap wood using 2 screws. And then I got this clear stuff that you want to put over your sign to protect it from sun, wind, and rain, all that to keep it from fading. I don't know if this one's any good. If you have recommendations, let me know. I just found this at my mom's. And make sure you read the directions. And that's it. We're done.
Merry Christmas! My gift is out here.